The
PDS?
National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 539, effective until 11 p.m. This watch includes the following counties.
Is this PDS?
Columbia, Dane, Greene,
This might be
Iowa,
PDS.
Lafayette, Richland, Rock, and Sauk, and the following counties in Illinois.
Wait, no, that's not
and
that.
Winnebago. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions
right
are
here.
favorable for the development of severe
Right
weather,
here.
including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.